Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you specifically how to fix a bent baseball cap. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. I'll be going over 4 specific things that you can do, 4 steps to fix a bent baseball cap. Essentially, if your baseball cap is bent and it doesn't look the way that you want it to look, you can use these 4 steps to sort of reshape it to look how you want it to look. Let's get into this. I'm going to keep it short and sweet and straight to the point, so let's get into these steps. Step number 1 is dampen the brim with water. So you want to get some water and you want to dampen the brim of the hat with water. You don't want it to be soaking, you just want it to be damp, okay? If you end up making it soaking, you run the risk of damaging the brim. So just literally get the slightest bit of water and dampen the brim. You can do this by using your fingers, getting them under the water and then just rubbing it on the brim, or you can get a cloth and get that cloth to be barely damp and then use that barely damp cloth to rub along the brim and therefore dampening the brim, which includes the fibers and the material here and sort of the inner material as well. You're just getting it just the slightest bit damp. That's step number 1, okay? Step number 2 is use a blow dryer to heat it up. So you then, once it's damp, you want to get a blow dryer to heat it up. So get a blow dryer, put the blow dryer on like a warm or a hot setting, and just use it to heat it up. Now you have a brim of a hat that is damp, okay, that's slightly damp and is nice and warm/hot, okay? What does that mean? It is now malleable, which means we can move on to step number 3. Step number 3 is reshape it slightly. So you're not just gonna go and just bend it really significantly. No, you're gonna reshape it slightly. So once it's damp and warm, then you're gonna reshape it slightly. So if I was trying to flatten this brim out, I wouldn't just bend it completely flat. I would just sort of bend it like that, and I will hold it like that. Sort of bend it up a little bit, okay, and then release it. Bend it up a little bit and then release it, okay? And what that's gonna do, I'm gonna just put mine back to the way I like it. What that's gonna do is that's gonna start reshaping it, okay? That leads us to step number 4. Step number 4 is keep on doing the same thing until it has your desired shape, whether that's flat or curved. So you're gonna keep repeating the same steps that I outlined over and over again, okay, until it has your desired shape. So maybe it's curved, but it's on an angle and it's sort of like not even, and you want to even it out. You can keep repeating the steps until it's evened out. Let's say you want to flatten it out, you can keep repeating the steps until it's flat. Or let's say you want to just flatten it and then recurve it, you can keep repeating the steps until it is curved, again, the way that you want it to be. And just a little bonus tip, if you're trying to curve it and it's just not getting even, then you can use certain things to help you create that curve. Some people use a filled up water bottle and roll it over here to sort of create that curve. Some people use a bowl to achieve that curve. They put the bowl in here and they shape it towards the bowl. There are many different things that you can use. It's just a little tip. You can just do it by hand and eyeball it, or you can use something to help you out. Either way, you should be good to go with these steps and you should be able to fix a bent baseball cap super easily. And like I said, every time you reshape it with each set of steps, you're just bending it slightly. You're not trying to bend it all the way to the desired shape. You're just bending it slightly and continuing to do the steps until you reach that desired shape. And that's truly it. Honestly, it's as simple as that. And yeah, the steps are said. I went over everything, including like some sort of bonus tip about using something to get that shape that you want, like a full water bottle or a bowl or something like that. You can even use a flat surface like a book or a countertop in order to get if you want it to be flat, you can use that to help you out to get it nice and perfectly flat. So like I said, you can use things to help you out. And that's truly it. I got nothing else to say for this video, so we're going to roll the outro. Let's do this. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.